Well, today I'm gonna do something I've never done before, lawnmower jousting. Let's go see what the heck's gonna go on here. Okay, we're here, we're staged. As far as I know, it's gonna be a bracket kind of a deal. I don't know where in the bracket I am yet. We've got a couple of other guys that have shown up, so at least there is gonna be something happening. As far as I know, it's gonna be kind of silly. They're gonna have pool noodles with shaving cream on the end, and we're gonna poke each other when we joust with the pool noodles, so it's kind of safe that way. But at least we'll have some fun. We'll see what happens. All right, we're up. Let's do this. We're gonna redo that. They called it a draw. I got some shaving cream on me though, but we'll try again. Well, couldn't get it done, but that was sure a lot of fun. I'll definitely be back next year, ponder over some strategies. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. The winning mower right here in prime condition. Well done.
This might be way past its prime. First place! Hey, first place!